There are two things that may be considered to hinder growth and progress. These two hampers may have been poor quality education and an unhealthy environment.
In Barangay Kuta, the partner community of University of Batangas, one of the major problems every single citizen faces is the increasing number of garbage, which have been the cause of numerous health problems around the barangay.
In Julian A. Pastor Memorial Elementary School, insufficient sources like science books and other learning materials have been resulting low level of learning among their students.
After a series of brainstorming, strategic planning, and project proposing, here now comes Basura Ko, Isang Libro Project.
Natutuwa naman ako dahil nakakatulong ako. Dahil yung dapat na basura ay naibigay, yung maliit kong basurang parang basura na naitulong ko dun sa ako, natutuwa ako.
At ang mga magulang, siyempre sa inyong proyekto, napakaganda ng proyekto ito ng UB. At ang eskwelahan ng Julian A. Pastor Memorial Elementary School ay nakikiisa at sumusuporta sa inyong programa.
After collecting bottles from households here in Barangay Kuta, every bottle is stored and kept here in the barangay's MRF, ready to be sold in its partner junk shop, and will soon provide money for buying books and other learning materials.
Ito isang malaking box na ito, puno po ng libro para po sa inyo. Yan po. Ang view naman po ng mga konsehal ngayon, not only giving books but also giving school supplies.
Ito na yung katapusan ng problema namin ng council sa mga magulang, sa mga bata. Sana dito namin makuha ang tamang pamamaraan ng pagpapayo sa kanila sa kadahilanan ninyo.